What's up, everybody? MistrMopar back again with another DIY video. Today I'm going to show you where it is and how to change the transfer case control module in a Nissan Pathfinder and Nissan Xterra. Ours is a 2008. I believe it is the same for 05 through 15 on the Xterra. On the Pathfinder, I'm not exactly sure, but they do use the same module for the 4.0 engine and the 4x4 automatic transmission. This is your part number that you need, 33084 3x42D. Now, looking online, I had some people saying that the module was underneath the center console. Google AI said that it was between the transfer case and the front differential. I knew that wasn't the case, so I said, you know what, I'm just going to take a look. I'm on the driver's side of the vehicle, and lo and behold, the module is right up under the dash. So it's literally sitting right here on the driver's side, just up under the dash, right there. And to be sure that I was getting the right part number, even though my research told me I was able to look in there with a light, and there you can see 33084 3x42D. So that is the module that I bought to replace it with. Now, the reason I'm replacing this module is a few months ago, our ECM decided to go haywire and a couple things in it fried. And when it did, it sent a voltage back through basically the entire vehicle, resulting in the ABS module being fried. The fuse in the back of our touchscreen radio was fried. And I just noticed the other day that when I engage the four-wheel drive, that the four-wheel drive light just flashes, but it won't actually engage. So a semi-educated guess tells me it more than likely cooked this module along with the rest of them. So I'm going to go ahead and change that out, and we will see what happens. So again, the driver's side of the vehicle, the module is just up under the dash right there. The tricky part to getting it out, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to see it here. So there's some 10 millimeters right there. So looking at the module here, this sits up under the dash right there. So those 10s are going to be like right here. So I'm going to see what is the best to get on them and pull them out with, and I will let you know. So after trying a couple of things to get on those, I was not really able to get on them good, especially the top one. So what I ended up doing here is your weather stripping. Pull that off. You can pop your kick panel down here in the front, just pop that in. This trim piece sits right there like that. It's just clips at the top, the bottom there that hold it in. Then you've got a Phillips screw that's going to be behind it right here, and then one on the bottom over there. Pull those Phillips screws out, and that gives you enough room to get in there with a ratchet. These are your two 10mm bolts for your four-wheel drive transfer case control module. I'm going to pull those out, hook the new one up. I'm going to also unhook the battery before I actually unplug this and plug the new one in, just in case, and we'll see what happens. So here's our old module. Once you have it out, you're looking at the sticker just in the center of the two ends of the plugs right there. Push that and it should pop right out. Hook up the new one and we'll put her back in. So I'm putting the trim back on. You see on the, there's a little tab there and there. It's for these two tabs on the top. Easiest way to do it is to get the top in there first, and then you'll notice at the bottom there's a tab there, and in the center. Once that's done, make sure your kick panel's lined up. There's a groove down there for that tab. That's all back on. Just start at the top. Work your weather seal back in there. Oop, I guess I did that backwards. Weather seal and then the kick panel, so let me pause that. Alright, so there's your trim piece, then your weather strip seal, and then line your kick panel out, trim up.